Okay, I really don't know what to think about this. I'm not sure. Um, really, I'm not. I haven't seen anything like this situation ever. That's all. That is completely new to me. Let me get in close. You guys have never seen this. I have nothing like it because I've never seen it. Wow, wow, and big time freaky wow. I don't even know what to say to this. I'm getting it as close as I can. I want to see inside. Oh my gosh. What is this? Alright, this is as close as I can get. I think. Let me try a little more. Oh, I can get a little closer. Just a little more. Okay, we're in. We are in. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Alright, we're out now. We took a peek. Where does something like that come from? No, we've not seen that before ever. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay, so you're going to ask me, what is this? I don't know. I don't know what this is, okay? It's alive. It exists. Wow. You got some orbs in the background, which is not unusual for here. Yeah, it's not. Let's go over here and see what's going on. Yeah, we got orbs. Ooh, wow. Okay. Ah. Hmm. I can't quit looking at it. What is it turned into? It's never looked like this before. Ever, ever, ever. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? Wow. It's loaded with some kind of energy. Loaded. Oh my gosh, look into here now. Look. Oh, it's back up there. You kidding me? That was it? That orb was it? Okay, these are living entities of some sort. Okay, it's moving as a whole. It just moved. I'll put my cursor right there so you see it's not me moving it. Oh. Okay, it's taking, it's breaking away a bit. I wonder if the calls have anything to do with like a aura. I don't know. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Crazy. It froze. I gotta unfreeze it. I'll be back. Okay. Phew. That's really something else, isn't it? There's a lot of them, of different kinds of stuff. Okay. Not knowing what to think on this, I'll tell you that right now. Watch the right of the screen. Those things are moving around. Whatever they are, they're moving around. It's quite something. Oh boy. What is that big bright one? It's like, oh. Oh man, you guys, I can't wait to hear what you have to say about this. It's moving. I mean, it can move like as a whole. Oh, I'm not sure what to think. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, new subs. I don't know what this stuff is, okay? I just don't. And you can leave your comments. I'm going to go to bed, and hopefully I can fall asleep. I have to get up really early, and I have a lot of things to tend to. But, yeah. And I'll get to the comments possibly tomorrow. This whole thing moves. I've never, ever, ever, ever caught this here before, ever. Not like this. It's evolved, I guess you could say. It's evolved. And it's becoming something, obviously. It's becoming something. What it's becoming, I'm not sure. I have no idea. Wow. Oh. I'm going to let this run the whole 15 minutes. I'm going to see if I can get Roger over at Mud Fossil University to take a look at this. I don't know what he's going to think of something like this. If he can even get to it. Because I think this has got a lot to do with synergy. I'm going to ask him. Yeah. I don't know if this is on the supernatural aspect, demonic aspect, natural existence of something. Wow, did you see that? Holy guacamole. Oh, gosh almighty. I can't. Whoa. Whoa. I could sit here and tape this for hours and watch it. I find it so fascinating. It just jerked. Look at these indigo things. Boy, my knees are weak. That one has like two little dots, like eyes every so often. I hope it does it again so you can see it. So it has moved over to the right a little bit. I keep thinking I'm seeing something. I don't know. This is truly fascinating. Truly fascinating. Alright, folks, I'm going to be wrapping this up, and I don't know what to say. God bless you all, and whoa, there's that thing, and I'm running out of time. Bye.